In Marathi, there is a saying, Murti Lahan Pan Kirti Mahan. This is in the context of people who are small built, physically small built, but they have achieved great fame. It is apt in the case of these seeds, which are tiny but power packed. It is very popular among the Indian urbanites as a superfood. It is also used for weight loss. What are these seeds and what are we going to be preparing with these seeds? Stay tuned till the Mull point. Namaskaram, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch and Mull. These are chia seeds, tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is from the mint family. This has its origin in Central America and has been part of the ancient Aztec diet. In the Mayan civilization, the word chia stands for strength. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients. They are high in antioxidants, fiber, protein, calcium and healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids. There is more to it. Keep watching. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which is approximately 30 grams, contain about 140 calories, 4 grams of protein, 11 grams of fiber, 7 grams of unsaturated fat, 18% of the recommended dietary allowance for calcium and trace minerals including zinc and copper. Chia seeds are a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that cannot be made by the body. The high fiber helps create a feeling of fullness and thus helps reduce food cravings. And best of all, they are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to combat depression, help in improving sleep and can offer protection against Alzheimer's and dementia. Chia seeds can also help lower triglycerides and cholesterol. Let's start making our chia seed pudding right away. It is extremely easy to make and it serves as a quick breakfast, lunch or dinner recipe. Along with our traditional breakfast recipes like idli, dosa, poha, upma, this is a welcome change in between. To know the various variations that could be used to make this chia seed pudding and also to understand how it contributes to weight loss, stay tuned till the end of the video for the Mull point. Let's look at the ingredients required to make our vegan chia seed pudding. I have taken 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 4 to 5 dates soaked in water for about 2 hours, 10 to 15 almonds which have been soaked in water for 2 hours, and these are the toppings. Seasonal fruits you can use for topping. I have taken fresh grapes, mango and some cashews and raisins. Since we are not using any dairy, milk or curd, I will be blending the almonds and the dates together, and in that liquid we will be soaking the chia seeds. So let's blend the almonds and the dates into a fine paste. Adding a little water. Add a little more water. So here now it's a smooth paste. That's enough. Let us transfer the almond date paste. So I'm adding water to this almond date paste, 1 cup, and mix this well. Another 1/4 cup. So this is the consistency. These are the chia seeds. And now we will soak the 4 tablespoons of chia seeds into this. Mix it well. Look at this consistency. So this is a liquidy consistency now. After about 45 minutes to 1 hour, the chia seeds will swell up and the consistency will become thick. We'll close this and keep it aside for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So it's 1 hour since we have soaked our chia seeds. See how they have thickened up? You see this? Looks so delicious, just like this. So now we just have to top this up with our choice of topping. So let me add the raisins in the center, some cashews, some fresh grapes and some freshly cut mangoes. Doesn't this look delicious? See this. Here's my vegan chia seed pudding. Wonderful. You have to cool it in the refrigerator. It tastes wonderful when cooled. Wasn't that so simple to make? Absolutely no cooking involved. When you get up in the morning, you just have to soak it, and during breakfast time, it is ready for you to relish it. What are the other variations that could be used to make this chia seed pudding, and how does it contribute to weight loss? Let's mull over it. If you are a vegan, then you could use peanut milk, coconut milk, soya milk, or any other vegan milk, and any vegan curd like peanut curd, almond curd, coconut curd to soak your chia seeds. And if you're not a vegan, then of course you can use dairy milk or dairy curd to soak your chia seeds. Coming to the sweetening part of it, if you are a vegan, then of course you can use maple syrup, jaggery, date syrup. And if you're not a vegan, then you could add honey to sweeten it. Regarding the toppings, any seasonal fruits and dry fruits, nuts, you could use it. That could make it really delicious and healthy. Isn't that wonderful? The key aspects in losing weight is having a diet rich in fiber, having plenty of water, and a good amount of physical activity. Added advantage of using chia seeds for weight loss is that it is packed with so many nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids. By the way, I have been introduced to chia seeds pretty recently. Of course, I don't use it for weight loss, but I love the taste and the ease with which it can be prepared. Children in particular enjoy the slimy and the crunchy texture of the chia seeds. Have you been using chia seeds? Do you know any other way of using chia seeds? Do share them with me in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do share it with your family and friends. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.